All right, we're at the Laharve project. Waiting for tile. Bathroom's the last room. We got tub to ceiling tile going in. Double wide, double sink vanity. Large on-wall medicine cabinet. Room will get skim coated this coming week. Level the floor. 12 by 24, white Carrera. All right, and this door is waiting for replacement. Otherwise, we got paint going on. This room is completed. It's master. If you know Queens and you know Laharve, these buildings are very nice. Yo, there's Aaron. Okay, goes from the master suite to the living room. There's Carlos running by the living room area. Pull out the rest of the garbage today. Pantry goes back in with the refrigerator when we're done painting. Got some extra materials that are gonna come out today. Built a little closet there on the entry. And these buildings are made with a brick finish on the wall. So we built out a wall there. And that's it. Right now, the kitchen's gonna stay as is. We removed the fridge panel from here. You're just seeing shadows. That's the pantry, which was on this wall, but it's moving this way for the fridge. And we gotta snake a little water line back there. Otherwise, for now, the kitchen's gonna stay the same. Flooring will be done Tuesday. Vanity. Built out closet. Flooring. And the balance of the garbage. Oh, thank you for showing up. All right. This apartment has a whole wall of glass. It's amazing.
Just for that, also a wall for you.